Hey, welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Custom Sentless. And I mean, that's good, beautiful, great fun, to be entertained. Today I paid BYK visit me and Katra. Let's go inside and see what he has. Let's go. Some people really love taxis. I don't even know why. Some people love taxis. Some people love taxis. They once said, please show us the taxis. Those who love taxis, I'm sure y'all are happy because I got a couple of requests. Hello. Hey, happy for Katra. I got just up more about our lecture copyrights. Oh, guys. The last time we were here, there was an airline here sold immediately. No, it wasn't immediately, but yeah, it got bought, and the person who bought it is still our agent. So you will still see it. You will still see it. The person who bought it is still our agent. Hey. When I'm saying our agents, I'm not saying the car is somehow mine or related to me, because some people like, when I'm saying our agents, I mean it's someone you can still chill with and you might still see the car around. Do you understand me? So we didn't last. I must refrain from we, because hey, you guys are fighting. It didn't last. We had a lot of plans with it. I can't. No, I can't. I'll always say we. If you have a problem with me saying we, you come here in this house and record videos of these cars. Since it's not me who's able to do this again, when you can come and do it, you can. Because hey, I say we because it's the life we live. Yeah. Don't try and characterize it. Yeah, man. It's not like we don't know or not. You all know. The little people who follow, they know. So they know when I say we, Kerabo man, Kerarina, Magita, Bloman Lord. If when I learn Magita, it's all Blomelir Narbo. Who would say in a Kajarton, who will let go lace or board. You want to know what idea I go and hold it on a night. And what's I know a dear son. Eh, kid. Locked. They locked it, and I can't open this side. Sure, they can't lock that side and unlock that side, so they locked it. As I was saying, the 7.5R sold. Bought by KMP. You do know KMP? The guy who loves sound so much from Northwest. Yeah. So now the 325 PYK is here. The R6 is here. Imagine owning such a fleet. Such a fleet. Fleet number one. This one. 325 BYK. 325 OEM sunroof. With GTI 6 seats. So guys, I've enjoyed this VR6 so much. I've had my fair share of VR6s, and I think the experience, the moment, it was nice. This one, I love it because it's fast. This one, I love it because it's fast. It is not just fast, it's super fast. So yeah, this car, he never uses it anymore. He will only be inside this car, use it when it's time for VR6 shows. And then the recent build, it's this one, 323 BYK, 323 BYK. Behind the seat. When just open this door, like you don't see what's going on. Just getting inside in this door, I'd rather not. There's absolutely no need for me to be inside, but you can see what I'm trying to show you from this angle. This was a full build. This car, if I can show you how it was, you'll laugh and will not even agree that this car is the one which was that way. You will not even agree. He's not done here. It's not done. And there's this one that I love so much. There's this one that I love so much. Polo. There's low Polo. There's low Polo. It's always just chilling here, relaxing, waiting for Polos to meet up. Then it shows up. How will I? So yeah, man. Just wanted to show you this man's flip BYK's toys, and waiting for a day where it's time to go out and play. Let me go chill with them, Katra and everybody there. That is what we have for this episode of Cast and Lesson. I mean, that's good, beautiful, good fun. Nkupi the entertain. Let me go chill with the other guys because they're chilling, they're drinking. Oh, yeah, he said I must. If there's anyone who needs these wheels, hit me up. They're for sale. If you want these wheels, they are for sale. Come and get them. You are more than welcome to come and buy them. When I say come and get them, it sounds like I'm just saying you can come and get. Let me rephrase. You are more than welcome to come and buy them. Because the car that they were supposed to be on or service spare tires sold. So yeah, I should see you on the next one. You will tell me what you want to see and what I should show you. Give me hints in the comment section. Maybe sometimes I miss some things you want to see, and tell me in the comment section. I will surely show you. Cheers.